Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find theme settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account information and now here you'll find theme settings. As you see, you can manage it, you can turn it dark or light, and that's it. That's how to find theme settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.